Welcome back. When you're using OBS Studio, you're going to be broadcasting from your desktop to the internet into an integrated system. And you will be using this streaming area in order to connect. What you'll find in OBS Studio are various ways to connect to platforms that will allow you to broadcast. So for example, if you want to broadcast to YouTube, there is a connection here. If you want to broadcast to Twitch, Facebook Live, Restream, or any specific integration, OBS Studio has specific connections that will give you the parameters to enter into the interface. Now, if for some reason you don't see the settings that you're going to need in order to make a connection, you are going to use the custom settings that OBS gives you. So again, what you'll want to do is to determine which integration you're going to be using, how you're going to connect from OBS, and then you're going to choose the right integration from the streaming area to use the parameters given to you by OBS. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.